How to make a video lesson using PowerPoint presentations. Shout out sa lahat ng students, teachers, other professionals, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig. I hope na magustuhan nyo yung video tutorial na gagawin ko, and if you like this, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. In this video, I will show you kung paano ako gumawa ng sarili kong video at ano yung mga secrets na ginagawa ko para magkaroon ng mga video na katulad nito. The first one, I will teach you how to create a title page, how to create a slide content, how to add visuals, how to add transitions, how to add animations, how to add the audio, and how to export the presentation to become the video presentation. So let's get started. The first thing is to create a title page, and you have to open the PowerPoint presentation, then open a blank presentation, create new, then select the blank presentation. When you create a title page, make sure that your font size is bigger than the subtitle. The title should be caps lock or all capital letters, and there will be a subtitle for your title page. And whatever you wish to do with your title page, you can do it too. Then let's proceed to how to create a slide content. The first thing is we need to click the new slide to add a new slide, so we can add pages and we can add our content for the first page. This will show you the blank page, and this will be the page where you're going to write your content, and you have to spend your time encoding the words, inputting the data, the information you need to include in your first slide. Then you can add another slide after you make the first by duplicating the slide. Please consider the example I have encoded in my slide content. It is an example of Proverbs, and it is taken from the Holy Bible. Now let's proceed to the next step. I am going to insert a video that I have downloaded in my PC. I have to click insert, then I choose video, then I will select the video that I need to insert in my slide. As you can see, this is the video that I need to insert in my slide. I will click that video and then I will click insert. And this will appear on the page or on my slide, the video. I am going to click that video and then right click, then choose send to back, so that the text will appear on the front. Then the video will be at the back. So that is the next step you are going to do. How to add animations. click animations and then choose this drop down arrow and the little circle with yellow highlight, and another option is for you to click the add animation. Make sure to click the element that you want to add animation, may it be the text, the video, and then you're going to choose an animation effect to add to the selected objects. The new animation is applied after any existing animations on this slide. Open the animation pane to view and edit the timeline of animations on this slide. If you check the animation pane, you will right click on that animation and then you have different options. I always love using start with previews so I can follow the flow of what I am presenting on my slides. You may also choose start on click or start with previews and start after previews. It's up to you to decide. You have also another option if you click the effects. You have different options there if you're going to animate the text by letter, all at once, or by word. It's up to you to decide also. Another options in animation is the timing. You have to choose whether the duration is fast, medium, very fast, very slow. It's up to you also to decide on the proper timing of your animation. Another option in animation is the text animation. You're going to decide whether the text will be animated as one object in all paragraphs at once, by first level paragraphs, by second level paragraphs, and so on. You have to decide on this too. Another option that you can do with your video is to add transitions. Click the drop down button to choose the different effects in the transition. Let me show you the transition I've used for my presentation here, that is comb transition. Another is the effect options. I choose comb transition and there is given options here. We have horizontal and vertical. It can change to a variation of the selected transition. Variations let you change properties of a transition effect, such as its direction, horizontal or going vertical. And now this is the most exciting part. It's adding the audio. You have to click insert, then choose audio, and you have option to choose audio on my PC or to record an audio. So let's discuss the first, that is add audio on my PC. Let me choose the audio I have recorded on my PC. The title is Proverbs 19:27. We need to set it automatically and then check hide during show so that the icon, the logo, will disappear when we play the video. Proverbs 19:27. If you stop learning, you will forget what you already know. If you wish to record directly on your slides, if you have a good built-in microphone, you can do also record audio. You click that one and then you can have added your audio on your slides. And the next step is to practice. View the slides, check it from the beginning up to the last slide, and then you have to use the slideshow from beginning, so you may see the transition, the animations, if they work correctly with proper timing. And you're ready to create and export your video, and I will show you the next step how to export your video. And for this, let me have this opportunity to introduce to you the first educational digital product I personally designed. I am creating and selling digital products at very affordable price. This one in the image is a electronic notebook where I personally made this, so you can use this one for your project and for your video lessons, or for whatever purpose you want to use this one. This is for sale, and this will help me to have additional savings, and this will help you to save your time. If you need ready-made templates like this, I am here to help you. Just send me an email in lani.williammore@gmail.com. And I'm sure if you're a student, you will love this project because you can make use of this in submitting your project to your teacher. And if you are a teacher, you will also love this because you can use this in making your video lesson too, most especially for reading and other subjects also. Here is how it works. The first digital project I ever made and I designed, and I decided to offer this one for sale for all the teachers who are interested to buy it, to all the students who are interested to purchase this one also. This is for you. And now let's go back to our steps on how to export the video, how to save our video, and how to make our PowerPoint presentation to be a video presentation. The first step is to click the file and then choose export. You can see that one, export, and then let's check what will be the next step. There you can see create a video. You have to click that. And once you click the create a video, you will have to select these options to save your presentation. Click Full HD, that is good for our video lessons or other videos. And then what's the next? Let's check what will be the next step. And don't forget to click the use recorded timings and narrations, because remember, we have set the slides with animations and transitions, and we don't wish to waste our time doing that. So we need to choose use recorded timings and narrations. And the final step is to click create video, and everything is set. You will just wait for a few minutes, then your video will be ready. So that is how I make my video. I hope that this video helped you to know how to make a video presentation, how to create a presentation in PowerPoint, and then how to export it as a video presentation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember, if you stop learning, you will forget what you already know. I hope you will be able to apply what I have shared here in my video, and this is how I do my videos and how I make it happen. I am inviting you to watch my other videos for you to know other secrets that I have discovered in making a video lesson. And here ends this video. I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you for being with me. Sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa channel ko, thank you po sa inyong lahat. I hope you will subscribe in my channel if you are new here, and please support me. Keep watching my videos.